Have you ever argued with your partner about money and wish you had a step by step guide to make wealth building made easy together? Research shows that 68% of Indian couples admit that their financial stress is their biggest relationship challenge. Hi, I'm Taresh Bhatia, certified financial planner, CFP founder of the Richness Academy with 37 years of experience in helping Indian couples fight over their financial freedom and align their goals. Today, I'm introducing you to my signature process, a powerful proven method that will show you exactly how to save automatically, kill debt, use tech to stray stress free, and most important, have joy and peace with each other as a partner. And how can you do it in 6 segments is what I'm going to show you. Stay with me till the end because I'm going to show you and you're going to learn till the end the 6 steps how you can start applying them in your life today. Ready for the 6 steps? Do like and subscribe. So if you're here now today, do subscribe to the button today because we're going to talk about real money habits for real couples every single week in this particular channel. So, segment one is, I would say, make notes, start making notes. Segment one, pay yourself first together. Let's begin with the most important and often most ignored principle, pay yourself first. Most couples ignore this and they don't know what does this mean, pay everyone else first. So here I'm saying not the groceries, not the EMIs, but try and pay yourself first to save what's left. But that's backward. In the richness framework, we flip that. As soon as you get your salaries and you get your credited in your bank account, is the first action which starts. And it says that you start with thinking about how you can start saving and you can make it so easy. So when when you have your salary in your account, set up simply a SIP account, a systematic investment plan from your joint account, I would say, not from your individual accounts. And that is like you can start merely with 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, start with 5000 rupees or 15,000 rupees and a monthly amount, a dream fund like travel or home and wealth fund, equity mutual funds for easy retirement planning. Why does this work? When you automate this, you're building wealth in the background. You're not replying or relying for some willpower or memory. You've created a system. Many go to your bank and apply for it today, or go to your mutual fund advisor and say, I want to start saving 2000. Just do it. That's it. Segment two, start with what you have. Let me just bust a common myth which comes to most people's mind. And that myth is let me save, let me spend, let me earn more, and then I will think about it. Wrong approach. In my one-to-one sessions, I have seen that couples earning even 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs a year, no, a month. They don't know how much they should be saving, what percentage. So you could make it about 20% and start saving 20% of 1 lakh, 20,000 rupees. Just start saving. Or it could be an annual basis that you start saving as a couple. That's more important. Why? Because wealth isn't about income, it's about consistency. Even 2000 rupees monthly save grows to in 15 or 20 years about 30 lakh, 50 lakh rupees. The magic is in starting small and growing gradually. Pro tip, start small. Commit to increase your SIP by 10% every year. Why? Because your income also increases by 5 to 10% every year on an average. So why not increase it also by 5 to 10% every year? Track your saving to income ratio, not just how much you earn. Remember, it's not about how much you start with, it's about how long you keep going. Segment three, discover as a couple a latte factor. It's a 3 minutes. This is a fun fact, eye opener, a concept which I teach in my workshops, the latte factor. Now, what is a latte factor? A latte factor is where your money silently leaks out and you don't even come to know. Yeah, something like a coffee and a Swiggy order here and there, a Zomato night, and an Amazon impulse buying, and something happens. And then you don't know where that 500, 5,000 rupees went. And in a month, you're spending 5,000, 10,000, which could be what your dream is, and where you could be spending it to invest. Here's what I suggest, both of you together. Track every rupee you spend in the next 7 days. You realize what is a need, what is a want, and what is a waste. So identify one or two unconscious habits to cut and redirect these into dream SIPs. For example, 3,000 rupees a month into a latte factor, invest into 12% returns. Guess what? 20 years down the line, you'll have about 30, 40 lakh rupees saved. And just do it with the easiest way possible. Segment 4, where I talk about automating your debt repayment. Just 2 minutes, I'll explain this to you. Let's talk about the elephant in the couples, your bank account debt. Loans, car loan, home loan, EMIs, credit card loans, outstanding loans which you don't know, and which you don't know how to come out of it. While most people keep just paying the EMIs, 2 years, 5 years, 20 years. Smart couples use automation to finish off loans faster and save lakhs in interest. But there is a method to it. A good financial planner will tell you how and where to save and return the money, pay early or not. If the loan or home loan rate is coming down, bring it down, extend the tenure, but that amount which you saved, put into an additional SIP. So you will be able to set up an additional amount, and I can show you how you can save that amount and become the total loan interest which you paid becomes totally free for you across 25, 30 years. That's what I teach in my online courses. So setting up a EMI payment plan, be very careful how you use it, and use the amount which you get as bonuses not to prepay but to invest additionally, because your money is going to work at 15, 20%, 12 or 15%, and your home loan is going to work at 8%. So 8.5, you'll save so much money in that extended home loan period of 5 or 10 years, that could be giving you that interest totally going free in 10 years time. So small changes, massive impact can come to you. Now fifth segment is use your technology to simplify your financial life. 2 minutes, I'll explain. As a game changer. So I tell all my clients, stop relying on memory, start relying on automation. Use apps and tools to run your money life with a well-oiled machine. Set up auto debits for your SIPs, rent, EMIs, credit cards. Make it all auto done. Standing instructions. That's what I mean. And track your investments using some app which you could otherwise be not even be aware of it, how to use it. And therefore, these apps could help you. Now, the idea is to remove manual errors and emotional decision making. So when your financial life runs in the background, you're free to focus on your goals, your peace, and each other. Automation equal to peace of mind. Segment 6, stay consistent with being perfect all the time. Yeah, here's a mindset shift. I want you to take seriously. Wealth is not built by just being perfect, it's built by being consistent. So you miss an SIP, maybe an overnight oversight, or you forgot about it. So just bring it back, whatever SIPs you missed. But as a couple who stick to the plan together over the years, I've found are the ones who retire early, also stress free, and support the children also fully. So set up a recurring account where your money is there in your bank account 1 or 2 months before the due dates of your credit card, of your EMI, of your SIP. So there is money for 1 and 2 months for whatever installments is going to be there. Sit down over chai or wine, with your couple and with your husband or wife, spouse, and review your financial goals seriously. All the debts, all the loans, make it a win-win, make it fun, make it emotional. One bonus tip: use a shared Google Drive for four things. I will tell you. Make a note. Make a vision board. Number one. Number two, financial goals. Number three, investment dashboard. Number four, progress. So always have progress over what you've done in the last month. So four tips are bonus tips. So progress over perfection always makes it the best happening. So there you have it. My six richness frameworks for couples. Again, I'll repeat the six things. Make note. Number one, pay yourself first. Number two, start with what you have. Number three, discover your couple latte factor. Number four, automate debt repayment. Number five, use tech to simplify. Number six, stay consistent over a period of time rather than being perfect. So consistency over perfectionism. So if you like this, share it with your partner, tell him or her to comment below in the comments, and which of the six are you going to be starting today. Put in the comments so that I can take it forward. So like, share, subscribe. If you want more of this, tell me what more components you would like. Want some bonus? So if you're ready to go deeper and want a step-by-step financial roadmap tailor-made for your relationship, join me in my free webinar which is coming up, where I break down couple finance formula. Register on the website couplefinanceformula.in. The link is given below. Book a complimentary session through that link. Also clarify a small brief session with me which I'm giving to you. over the link which is given. So let's make money your strength, not your struggle. This is Taresh Bhatia, your financial freedom specialist by qualification, a certified financial planner. I'm an MBA, and I look forward to you as a couple over a happy life together.